Hello everyone. So first I have done the squares from 1 to 60, and after that I have written tables from 15 to 19. Here I have written the squares till 51 to 60 again to revise, and after that I have revised the percentage to fraction. So this is the weekly compilation which I am just reading, and today I will going to highlight the important points, and this is the whole news. So I have highlighted this, and this is the half. So the headings I have highlighted with the orange, and the yellow one is the news within the heading. So I have completed this today, and I will going to revise it.